everyone, welcome back to the channel. The market has been a little volatile lately, but that's exactly where the opportunities come in. Right now, I'm watching 4 stocks for a swing trade this week, and here they are. Bill Holdings, FIS, GoDaddy and CRM. All of these stocks dropped after earnings, but I believe they are in an oversold zone and could be setting up for a nice bounce. In this video, I'll break down my entry points, stop losses and where we could take profits so we can capitalize on these short-term setups. But before we get into that, a quick update on my portfolio. Right now, it's sitting at $203,000. The recent market dip pulled it back slightly, but overall, I'm feeling good about my positions. I'm still holding strong across my 29 stocks, ETFs and dividend plays, and my strategy remains the same. I want to buy great stocks at key levels and take advantage of short-term trade opportunities like these 4 setups I'm watching now. Let's start with Salesforce, ticker symbol CRM. This stock recently dropped after earnings but found support around $292. I think this could be a solid swing trade if it bounces off this level. My plan is to buy at $295, take profit at $310 and set a stop loss at $292. Next up is GoDaddy, ticker symbol GDDY. This one also had a big pullback after earnings, but fundamentally it's a strong business. If it holds support around $175, I think we could see a nice bounce up to $190. My plan here is to buy at $179, take profit at $190 and set a stop loss at $175. Now let's talk about Fidelity National Information Services, ticker symbol FIS. This stock has been in a strong downward trend, but it looks like it's starting to stabilize. If it can hold above $70.50, I see a short-term move up to $75. My trade plan is to buy at 70.5, take profit at $75 and set a stop loss at $69. And the last stock I'm watching is Bill Holdings, ticker symbol BILL. This has been one of the most beaten down stocks post earnings, but I see a potential rebound play here. For this one, I have 2-stage profit taking plan. I'm looking to buy at $55, set my stop loss at $53 and take profits in 2 steps. First at $60 and then at $68 if the momentum continues. So that's my game plan for this week. These are all short-term trades based on technical support levels and oversold conditions. If the market cooperates, these setups could lead to some quick profits in the coming days. Let me know in the comments which of these trades look the best to you. And if you are watching any other stocks for next week, I'd love to hear about them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any updates on my investing journey. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.